Okay, welcome to a brand new video, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you the power of trolling. It's called Demolitionist class. My friends here are with this party of 6, and we are going to murder everybody here with Demolitionist class. So let's get into the video. We need to kill we kind of need to kill everybody, so... Hell no. 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 That's a scam. Maybe. No, so here, fine, come here. Come here. What, why? Who took my money? Who took my money? Who took my money? Who took my shit? Get in, got me. So, wait, we're not doing it yet. We're not doing it. Hey, wait. Did you guys get bandages? Did we get? Oh my! Who is driving? That I'm not on. I'm not even on the train. Why does this keep happening? My question is, do you guys even have bandages so I can revive you guys? And this is okay. I'll take this. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, Capybara, just get out. Okay, there's 2 people here. There's 2 people. Guys, get out of the way. Y'all good? That's 3 people dead. That's 3 people dead. That's 3 people dead. Yo, this guy's better time. Yo, no, we just got 4 people. We just got. That was so easy. That was so easy. That is evil. Yeah. I recorded all of that, bro. Yo, whose landmines are these? Whose landmines are these? Come on. What? Okay, somebody left. Somebody left. Someone left. I think somebody left. Yeah, sure. Who? Hey, put that down. Let's go! And we got a vamp knife. That was the best robbery of ever. We got a vamp knife from somebody. They had vampire knife. Hell no. This man right here. Oh shit. You can. Oh, you have bandages. You have bandages. My bad. Oh, oh my god. Holy sh. I took your stuff so they can't rob you. I took your stuff so they can't rob you. Yeah. Oh shit. Bro, so I'm not on. I'm not on. Bro, guys. Shit. Alright guys, so they left us and we are doing our second heist, second trolling run. So let's see if anybody will join us in this 10 lobby. Come in here, boy. We're in. We have 5 seconds. Leave the party. Leave the party. Leave the party. Leave the party. Yeah. Ah, come on, come on, come on. You idiot! You actual idiot! Let's go. Let's go. After we finish, you get in, boy, get in. Get in the hall. All right, this is our second victim. Second victim. Is anybody? Yeah, hold up. I want to fix this actually. Wait, hold up. Actually, I didn't buy bandages. My bad, homie. Wait, we only need to revive you because me and Anas are demolitionists. I'm not even inside. I can't even light it. I can't light it. Okay. You idiot! You idiot! You are actually. He got out. He got out. Are we gonna revive our friend or not? Like our friend is the bare bone right there. Like, what's up, bro? Yeah, you think this is a failed experiment? Oh yeah, I forgot I need to put in my charger. Bro's begging for help. Bro's begging for help. Fling him. Fling. Alright, so should we go to our third victim now? Before we leave, we have to put him in the fire. Okay, just leave, just leave, just leave, just. I'm gonna just. Yeah, I left. Alright, bet. That's two people. That's three people. That's three trolls. Three trolling. Three people. Three people. This is perfect. Third victim. Third victim. Third trolling. This is perfect. Imagine we got 10 out of 10 people. Yeah. Wait, I gotta go AF. Alright. Oh. We gotta wait up, bro. R.I.P. Hey, look, my nose is bleeding. Yay. Nothing. Okay, so now I have dynamite. I have dynamite, gunpowder barrel, and not right now. Not right now. What? Not right now. Yo. Oh yeah. Hold on. AFK. I bet. Oh. Did she get on? Oh, outlaw. My outlaw. It's fine. Don't worry about it. We just take this. You take the outlaw. Take the outlaw, bro. Take, bro. Take your outlaw. Alright, they on. They on. Nope. Get out of there. Let me drive. Get out. Bro, get out. You're never staying inside there while being AFK again, bro. So this is okay. Where's the guy though? Well, that doesn't matter. Hold up, wait 1 sec. Wait, hold up. Tell them to come to the front. I want to give them a gift. No, no. Wait, tell. What, bro? Oh my! What the hell? No! Lord save us. You, I think you're addicted to killing people. Anyways, who likes dynamite? Hold on. Okay, now we spare the. Okay, wait. Yeah, we're trying to make a Dead Rails video right now. We don't really care about the. Anyways, wait. In the middle of the town, should we just like explosive her? Bro got sent to Jahannam. Okay, so there's one last victim. He didn't even leave. He didn't even leave, bro. Oh, she doesn't even know. She doesn't even know. Bestie, come here. Bestie, come here. Bestie, come here. Bestie, come here. I have a little gift for you. Dang. Wait. Let's revive her. Let's revive her. Yeah. Okay, now we rape her and violate her. Do you have a vamp knife? Wait, Molotov! Molotov! Same. We can actually troll them even more with Molotovs. Burn them alive! What do you mean, how? Yeah, exactly. Not now, though. Not now, though. Give her a shovel at least, bro. I feel bad. I feel bad. I'm not on. I'm not even on the train. I'm not on the train. Shit. Get up! Alright, guys. We're at the town now. Yeah, we're definitely gonna give her stuff. Yeah, definitely. Okay, stop here. Nice. Oh, help me. I am on, help. This is not going well. Yes, you think? I'm dead, bro. Perfect. Yeah, don't open it because I don't want everything to scatter around. She's gonna. I swear, if she takes my landmines. Wait, what if we bring all of the zombies to her, and then we burn her with a yo, bro, bring them to her. Bring them to her. Then I'm gonna Molotov her. Yo. Take care. Wait, take care of her. Wait. Do not cook them. Just run around, cause I'm gonna revive her. Look what's gonna happen. Wait. Hold on. Just wait for her to. I'm. Rest in pieces. Rest in pieces. Rest in pieces. I'm cooked. But oh, that was so good. Next victim. Okay, fourth victim. Is there anybody here, dude? Why is nobody here at the lobby? Like, why is nobody here? Anyways, guys, welcome back to the video. We definitely were not talking about. No, I don't. Bro, what do you mean? Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut the video for now. Just give me 1 second. I need to make some private chats with them. Technical difficulties right now. Yeah. You do not talk about my girlfriend. Okay, shut up. Please tell me somebody can buy bandages. Yes, buy bandages. And the guy left. The guy left. Capybara, you stupid